Hello. Oga Taylor.
Good evening.
Where is my clothes? I've given you for almost like 4 weeks now. Towards Christmas.
Sorry.
Sorry what?
Remain small.
You remain what? Hey. You're still sitting down.
Listen now.
If you bring any chair for me, I'll use the chair and break your head.
Down.
Give me my
Cool
Christmas
down,
clothes now.
Madam, cool down. Cool down. Take it easy. Wait. Somebody should bring chair for me now.
Somebody bring chair for me now. Mo fún yín lówó.
Mo fún ẹni sùúrù.
Who do you take me for? I'm going to my village. Wọ́n retí mi ní abúlé.
Shay, you want to sit down?
I'm not sitting down. I don't care about this.
Hold down.
Chair.
Wait, you
Give
don't.
me my clothes.
Hold down.
Let me see my materials.
Sit down. Sit down first. You know what happened?
What happened?
The clothes remain small.
Small.
Remain small.
What happened? Mo ti fún yín ní sùúrù.
You will collect it after Christmas. You will collect it after Christmas.
Pick my clothes for me. I am not sewing
anymore. You
anymore.
Collect it after Christmas.
No, I'm not interested anymore. I cannot give you clothes for 4 weeks.
Please now, I'll do it. Don't worry.
Why are you begging me? You're still sitting down. Very, very disrespectful. Stand up. Stand up and go and beat my clothes for me.
Madam.
Madam,
it's okay.
You want to beat me?
It's okay.
On my clothes. Beat me now.
Sorry, bring that clothes. Bring our clothes.
Hey, hey, Moku. 2 days to Christmas. See my clothes.
Hold down, wait.
Days. Which kind of tailor are you? A bad man.
Madam,
you want me to go to my village without clothes?
It's okay. If you want to take your clothes, take your clothes. Don't insult me
take my
on
clothes. Who are
rubbish clothes. What? I will slap you. I don't have time for all this rubbish.
Take your clothes.
Madam.
Let me come back tomorrow. A day before Jesus' birthday. Let me come back.
If you don't take your clothes now, I will not sew any clothes. If you like, come and take your nonsense clothes. Rubbish. Madam, better you come and collect your clothes, yo. Because me, I will not sew this clothes. Better you come and carry it now. If you like, you leave it there because I will leave it there for you.
4 weeks ago. So, who else will I give this clothes to?
Take it. Go and give another person. I cannot make this clothes again.
I give you 24 hours to sew this clothes.
To do what?
To sew it for me.
Have you paid me?
Have I paid you?
Eh?
Why did you not say I not pay you? When
I cannot say. I cannot make
you
this.
You didn't even cut the material. You call yourself tailor, shoemaker.
You pay me. You pay me.
You pay me.
You pay me.
I tell you I no pay you.
As me, you give me money when you bring this clothes. I've make it. See, madam.
I will show you.
If you like, take your clothes. I don't have interest on this clothes again.
I go my village. You want me to laugh me?
See, carry your clothes.
I not carry my clothes. Go and sew it today. I want them. Take.
You won't collect them.
Call yourself.
You will see. This clothes will be here for.
See,
this clothes will be here till we do Christmas.
Sew my clothes.
Madam. It's like you are looking for trouble.
Oh yeah?
You are looking for trouble.
Find the trouble.
I will not take it easy with you.
I go get clothes. Go Christmas.